To cater these security concerns, guys, we have done some work. Uh, our work on security concern, we have this something called MCP-Guardian, a security first layer for safeguarding MCP-based AI systems. You can read about this paper here. You can. This is the paper this is the updated one that is available on archive also, and we also published this in some conference. I kind of cannot remember right now, but yeah, it talks about the framework that we propose to kind of solve this. I also have a physical copy, of course. You can see it over here, MCP. So read about it. This very simple framework. Let me just show this probably if I just make this bigger. System architecture, right? If you look at this over here, so it says MCP tool call sequence. Let's say we have an LLM client. This client can be anything. It can be your agentic IDEs, that can be Claude for desktop, that can be your own file program, MCP client, whatever. Now you send a JSON request because you talked about JSON RPC, right? Tool to a tool server, and tool will execute a lot of things or at their end. So I'm not going into that. So that act through tool function. Now we have a middleware that that we named it MCP-Guardian. There is other library also which we don't own it. Credit to that creators who own MCP-Guardian, but we kind of created this paper before them, I believe. So we have MCP-Guardian where we have a middleware. Now in the middleware, we have a few features. That time there was no sampling and nothing like that. This is like 3 months back when we proposed this. Authentication, we have rate limiting. And these are some of the examples. We have more. Logging and observability, and WAF, web application firewall scanning. Based on the JSON request, it goes through internal validation step and then finds out if it's a valid request. If it's a valid request, then we also have abuse detection. If it's a valid request, it goes to tool server and fetches the information. And then if it's not a valid, if it's like something, it also has a blocked request over here, and also the response coming up, it also has a blocked request. So very simple architecture. We proposed MCP-Guardian as a middleware for establishing connection with a server and a client. That's what we did. You can read about it. Very simple. In a very simple language, we have written this. You can find out this research. We keep doing research. This is part of our AI Anytime community. The same video, that channel name AI Anytime. We have a community also on Discord, on WhatsApp, and now also physically based out of Hyderabad, right?